Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing? This is another offering from our Vienna Italian art plates that we have. This was actually commissioned by the old Barbee distillery in Kentucky. They made it obviously for their distributors or clients. Had it made, it was Italian made, really cool scene depicting some gentlemen offering these hardworking ladies some whiskey. So anyways, if you are into whiskey collections or decorative plates in general, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.